Gardening 2025. Tech innovations you need. Yo, what's up everybody? We're diving deep into the future of gardening. Imagine this. You're chilling, maybe catching some rays, and your phone buzzes. It's not your buddy texting about the game, it's your garden letting you know it needs a little H2O. Or picture this. A solar-powered robot silently taking care of those pesky weeds while you sip your coffee. We're talking next-level sustainability in gardening smarter, not harder. Now let's dig into the tech that's about to change the gardening game forever. And hey, if you're excited about these innovations, give us a thumbs up and hit that like button. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of any good garden, the soil. And you know how much I love data, right? Well, these smart soil sensors are about to blow your mind. We're talking about these tiny wireless probes, I'm talking smaller than your pinky, that you tuck right into your garden bed. These little guys are packed with tech. They're constantly measuring everything your plants need to thrive. Moisture levels, pH balance, even nutrient content. And the best part? All that data is beamed straight to your phone in real time. No more guessing games, no more overwatering or underwatering. Just the perfect amount of everything, exactly when your plants need it. You'll know exactly when your tomatoes need a boost of calcium, or if your herbs are feeling a little thirsty. Make sure you're sticking these sensors right near the root zone. That's where your plants are doing most of their drinking. Okay, let's be real. Weeding is nobody's favorite gardening chore. But what if I told you there's a robot for that? And not just any robot. A solar-powered robot that lives in your garden and takes care of those weeds while you kick back and relax. Introducing the Turtle. Yeah, you heard that right, Turtle. Think of it like a Roomba, but for your garden. It roams around your garden bed using a tiny little string trimmer to whack down any weeds it encounters. No cords, no gas, no noise, just pure weed-killing efficiency. And because it's solar-powered, you can pretty much set it and forget it. It's weatherproof, so a little rain won't hurt it. And it's designed to work in raised beds, or even those low-growing veggie gardens. The Turtle works best as a preventative measure. It's not going to magically clear out a jungle of weeds overnight. Big agriculture has been using AI-powered weeders for a while now. The future of weeding is looking pretty bright and automated. This app is about to become your green thumb secret weapon. Alright, we've talked about the soil, we've talked about robots. Now let's talk about the brains of the operation, your smartphone. Because in 2025, your phone isn't just for scrolling and texting, it's your garden command center. We're talking about a whole new generation of gardening apps that are packed with features you wouldn't believe. Imagine this. You're at the garden center, totally overwhelmed by the selection of tomato plants. You whip out your phone, open up your gardening app, and boom! It uses augmented reality to show you exactly where each plant would go in your garden. No more measuring, no more guessing, just perfect placement every time. These apps can also send you voice reminders when it's time to water or fertilize, so you never miss a beat. And if you're ever unsure about what's going on with one of your plants, just snap a photo of the leaf and the app will analyze it for you. We're talking a few bucks a month for the kind of knowledge and convenience that used to cost a fortune. So there you have it, a glimpse into the future of gardening. Whether you're working with a few pots on a balcony, or you've got a full-blown backyard farm going on, this tech is here to make your life easier, your garden healthier, and your harvests more bountiful. But remember, tech is just a tool. Let's use this technology to reconnect with nature, to learn more about the plants we're growing, and to create a more sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And as always, keep on growing.